On 30th March, PM Modi visited the Nagastra-3 Kamikaze drone system in Nagpur. This advanced drone has a strike range of up to 100 kilometers and an endurance of over 5 hours. As part of his visit, the Prime Minister inaugurated key infrastructure at Solar Industries, including a runway facility designed for medium-altitude long-endurance, MALE, and high-altitude long-endurance, HALE, drones. Additionally, he unveiled the loitering munition testing range and a dedicated runway for UAVs at Solar Defence and Aerospace Limited. The newly constructed airstrip, measuring 1,250 meters in length and 25 meters in width, will support UAV operations, while the live munition and warhead testing facility will enable the evaluation of loitering munitions and other guided weapon systems. Solar Industries' new facility will position India as a global drone hub and will enhance India's capabilities in unmanned aerial vehicles, loitering munitions, and counter-drone systems. This facility marks a significant advancement in India's efforts to achieve strategic self-reliance in defense, with a focus on utilizing advanced composite materials. With an investment of 10,000 crore rupees planned over the next decade, the facility is capable of producing up to 1,000 loitering munitions each year. Solar Industries has already made a notable impact by developing Nagastra-3, India's first indigenous loitering munition, which has recently been procured by the Indian Army. Additionally, the company is moving towards the manufacturing of MALE, that is medium-altitude long-endurance UAVs, which will feature advanced surveillance and attack capabilities. Looking ahead, Solar Defence also has its sights set on the more advanced HALE category UAVs that can operate above 50,000 feet with over 36 hours of endurance. So the HALE UAV can be compared to US-made MQ-9 drone. The Indian HALE UAV could even be better since it will be custom-made as per the Indian military requirement. Zen Technologies unveils game-changing Air Defence Simulator. Zen Technologies, the country's leading defense training solution provider, has introduced a cutting-edge solution that aims to redefine training for air defense warriors. In response to the long-standing challenge of providing realistic training for crews operating the L-70 and Zu-23 towed air defense guns, Zen Technologies has unveiled its Integrated Air Defense Combat Simulator IADCS. The company claimed that this advancement has the potential to enhance combat preparedness significantly. According to the developers of this solution, ground-based air defense systems rely heavily on the L-70 and Zu-23 guns, which are deployed in vast numbers to counter aerial threats. However, training air defense gunners on these weapons presents serious challenges. Conventional unit-level drills offer only basic familiarity, often relying on mock targets like model aircraft. These exercises fail to provide the actual feel of fire, the recoil, vibration, and stress of real combat scenarios. Key highlights of the IADCS include realistic replication. The simulator features highly accurate replicas of the L-70 and Zu-23 guns, making them nearly indistinguishable from the original weapons. Immersive training experience, high-resolution combat scenarios, and after-action review. The Integrated Air Defense Combat System revolutionized air defense training through its immersive and scientifically validated methodology. By significantly reducing the dependence on live-fire exercises, trainees can acquire extensive simulate experience prior to real-world deployments. This system not only enhances combat readiness, granting gunners the opportunity to participate in thousands of simulate engagements before live firing, but also lowers training costs by minimizing ammunition use and logistical challenges. Furthermore, the IADCS is highly scalable and adaptable, paving the way for potential customization to accommodate future air defense gun systems.